but somehow it needed more. Oh, maybe the way that our hearts became true is the same way they all do. When I wake up, I want to see the sun shine across your face. When I walk with you, I want
The birds fly south as the light leaves your eyes. Hold on to your dream. Oh, I know you wanna scream. Since the day you're born, you're just a flower on your own, waiting for the sun to blossom, hoping to break through the storm. There's gotta be a brighter day, a summer breeze on silk and honey, a big white horse is running through the golden doors. You know you gotta take the ride. It's now or never by my side. Little Daisy, don't be shy. Nobody changes, they just lie. Take your own face by the end. It's time to conquer your own land. Little Daisy, don't be shy. Nobody changes, they just lie. Take your own fate by the end. It's time to conquer your own land. I wonder if you miss me. It's been a long year. Winter has snowed, summer has shown, but I ain't forgotten the sweet taste of chocolate I taste on your lips when we had our last kiss. So here's my love letter, entrusted to the weather. I ride across the waves and flow through the clouds. And when it's delivered, do what you want with it. You can send it back or keep it around.
Maybe I'm wrong, maybe it's been too long, but I heard from someone that you're back in town. And if it's not too late,